Today's somebody's birthday and it's a present to be unwrapped. G'day, I'm Graham and today's my 73rd birthday and my lovely wife has bought me a present which is sitting on the track behind us. Now for the last few years she's been buying me slot cars or slot car related items for my birthday, and she assures me that there is a slot car related present there for us, so we'll without further ado, let's get round and rip the wrapping off it. Okay, alright, let's have a go at this unboxing and see how we go. It's all wrapped up very nicely, so we'll pop it open. I'm not sure what we see this year. I've had a number of items on my wish list, a number of cars and things, so it'll be interesting to see what's in this box. I don't know. There we go, we'll open it up. Now there's our first clue. It's from Bonza Slot Cars, or Slot Cars as it says here, and Hobbies in Reservoir, Victoria. So that narrows down the field a bit. It's certainly a slot car and probably a Pioneer Legend, which is what I had on my list from Bonza. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. There's our Bonza sticker. Let's put it there. Right. Oh, now that is a surprise. That's really lovely. What we've got here is a pair of Legends, not just the one. I was expecting probably a white kit so that I'd have a lot of work to do, but I'm not really looking forward to painting and getting it going. So no, this is lovely. What have we got? We've got two cars. We've got a Ford and a Dodge. No, there's some lovely little cars. Now we'll get them out of the box and have a good look. Yes. Over the years my wife has come up with some quite good birthday presents for me, which some have been surprises, some of them have been just wish lists that I hadn't got round to getting myself or couldn't get at the time. Like the Arc Air controller here was one such item. I couldn't get one in this country anywhere, so I had to she had to get this one sent in by Amazon from England, so that was interesting, but that was last year. The year before that I think was a pair of Craig Lowndes Commodores, which was in a box set, which was a very nice set too. But these are beautiful little cars. Everybody says that they're great fun to run, so we'll really enjoy putting them on the track and giving them a good run in and see how fun they are. I think they'll suit this track because it's got a lot of corners and a couple of four reasonable straights, but a lot of corners, so it'll be interesting to see. I reckon they'll go around really well. But unfortunately, I don't have time today to run them, so I'm heading out to lunch to celebrate my birthday with some friends, so we'll run another video in the next few days and give you a look at how they go. Thank you for watching, and if you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe. If we hit 100 subscriptions, I might be able to convince my lovely wife to buy me another present to unbox, so we'll see how we go with that. But keep an eye out, I've got some more videos planned. There'll be more scenery, and there'll be a Aston Martin DBR challenge, 4 different Aston Martins, so that'll be hopefully interesting, as well as the running of the Legends. So thank you for watching again, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.